Are you bothered by the heat of the sun? Are the sun's rays becoming a health risk? Summer is good but not with health risk, and added bills from extended air conditioning use. Our retractable awnings are the perfect solution. It provides you with the shade and protection you need from the sun and its harmful UV rays. Having an elegant looking, yet durable awnings are the perfect gift you can give your homes. Compared to other similar products, these retractable awnings are very affordable and tough, and will definitely save you money. Save on your next month's electricity bills. Just roll it up, open your windows and let the cool breeze in, reducing the use of your air conditioning units. These retractable awnings are definitely safe and easy to install. Just place them outside your windows, retract and enjoy the sunny day. Biggest sale is happening now. Get the best deals and prices. Grab one for your home today, while supplies last. Call 1-300-667-433 or visit shadesheds.com.
Like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to get updates on our latest content.